Is that it? Is that my car right there? Is that my car right there? Uh-oh.
You're watching Daddy DIY.
Oh, baby. Look at it. It's coming off the truck. It's coming off the truck. Oh, yeah. To the house. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, so the car is here. They're getting it off the truck right now. Cloudy. No sun out today. Well, right now, it was out earlier. It went away though. Ah, man. It's so ready. This is the trailer they brought it in. Straight from Black Tie Classics, baby. Come on, get it out. Oh, he in the car, baby. Oh, it's crap. Oh yeah, baby. And we got touchdown. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm looking for a 1985 Cadillac convertible. That's my birthday year. And I heard they had one here. Oh, I got this Eldorado for 18. This red one for 21, and this one for 19. These three are convertibles. Oh, this one's convertible too, all white. But I already got a white Escalade, and I got a black CTS. So I did look at these already, and I'm going with this one. The only difference from this one and this one is miles, and this one has a little pinhole back here in the rag. So I'm going with this one. It doesn't have any issues, any faults. 1985 convertible Cadillac Eldorado, red top, white insides, white top, 8-cylinder, 2-door automatic for $21,900. And he got me a deal. He took $2,000 off, so I only paid $19,900. Here's fire horn red. And I haven't seen this car. I'm buying it sight unseen, so we're taking their word. Looks and runs like a dream. Ready for summer driving with cold AC. So here's some more pictures of it. So let's blow these up. she's beautiful. Driving in the back with the gangsta lean. Alright, that's my light. It should arrive today. We'll go out and get some pictures and some videos when it gets off the truck. Alright, excuse me because I was outside cutting the grass, but we have the Cadillac paid for. The Cadillac is paid for. So now we gotta set up the shipping. Well, the shipping is already set up, but I'm gonna let you see me go in and do the final pay process, accept the email, and then when the truck get here, we'll go out and see them deliver it and take it out the truck. All right, let me get to my mail. Here it is right here. The Ship and Auto Company. Alright, amount due today is the $200 deposit, and then the rest I pay in cash when they get here. So right there, so you got the 1985 Cadillac Eldorado convertible from Stratford, New Jersey to Antioch, Tennessee. Alright, total is $1,300, $200 due now, $1,100 in cash when they get here. Alright, so go ahead and pay this $200 now. Alright then. Alright, I'm gonna put my information in here and pay, and I'll be back. Alright then, so we're back. I got the camera off to the side because I still got my billing information in, but that's today's date. This is the electronic invoice, like I said. That's the amount, and we're going to go here, click pay. Alrighty. So as you can see here, invoice 200. It has all been paid today. That's just my account information right there. I don't want to go up and show that. Alright, so I'm going to download the receipt and invoice. And that's it. Alright, so you can see there, it's all paid. It's all paid. Alright, it's the first ride in the 85 Caddy. I'm still trying to figure out how the gas work on this. It's all digital, and it just say number 3 on there right now. So I'm gonna go take it to the gas station, fill it up, and see how this gas meter works. But yeah, first ride in the Caddy, baby.
Daddy DIY, the channel of arts, crafts, and do-it-yourself projects. Keep watching for more videos from me, Daddy DIY.